Hey there! In this full guide, we'll explore how to record a space on X using your Android device. Recording a space allows you to capture valuable conversations and discussions for future reference. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open the X app on your Android device to begin the recording process. Step 2. Tap the plus icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to access additional features. Step 3. Select Spaces from the menu options to initiate the space creation. Step 4. Turn on Record Space to enable the recording functionality for your space session. Step 5. Tap Start Your Space to begin the conversation or discussion that you wish to record. Step 6. Invite participants to join your space by selecting and inviting them to the conversation. Step 7. When you've finished your conversation or discussion, tap End to conclude the recording and save the space session. Fantastic! You've now successfully learned how to record a space on X using your Android device. Capture valuable moments and insights shared during your space sessions for future reference. If you found this guide helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing for more informative tutorials. Thank you for watching.